How's it going, everybody? Zach here at MarineMax Coco, and check out this boat. We just got this boat in. This is a 2026 Harris 230 Solstice. 23-foot Tritoon boat in the sage green fencing is one of my favorite colors from Harris with the white accents here. Just a super fun, elegant looking boat. You do have a double bimini on this Tritoon. The Solstice is an upgraded trim package from Harris, so you get a lot of really cool bells and whistles, including this massive 300 V8 white Mercury that just looks beautiful on this boat. It's super quiet, super efficient, very powerful boat. You see you're chained in back here with your fender holders there, your big tow bar, and this deluxe ladder right here, which we'll use to climb into the boat. As we make our way up inside this Solstice, you're going to see why this is just a perfect boat for going up and down the intercoastal over here on the Indian River. You've got this massive sun lounger back here, and that's what this seating configuration is called. It's the dual helm sun lounger configuration from Harris. You can see you've just got a ton of room up here with this adjustable sun pad. So you can see here, pull this button, and now you've got another bench, or you can also lay it back where it was to make kind of a reclined sun pad, or all the way flat, which is really nice when you fold up this bimini on the top. Get plenty of sun, plenty of lounging space, a ton of cup holders back here as well, and an extra audio head unit so you can change your music when you're back here lounging. This boat is super cool. Like I said, you've got the dual helm seats here, so your captain and co-captain sitting right next to each other. Here in this little section, you've got more cup holders, a speaker right there for the co-captain, which brings us to our helm for the captain right here. Dual Simrad MFDs for all of your gauges here. You can have one gauges, one showing your charts, one showing your audio, and so on and so forth there. Your main JL audio head unit there. All of your buttons and your digital binnacle, super smooth, controlling that powerful 300 horsepower Mercury in the back. Up here, you've got your bench area, tons of space. You can fit a lot of people on this boat, take them up and down the intercoastal, pull up to the sandbar over there at Bird Island, and this is just the perfect boat for that. This boat is available here at MarineMax Coco right now, so if you stop by and take a look, you are more than welcome, or feel free to click the link down in the description for more info.